Hi, I will show you today a tip you may not know in Procreate. So let's say you're drawing, right, with one brush, really fancy drawing, sure, right? And you want to use the same brush you're using for the eraser, right? Here you can see the eraser has another brush that is not this one, okay? So a fast step to doing this is like, let's say you're drawing, you long press the eraser, and now the eraser has the same brush you were using as a pencil. Actually, it saves your last brush, so it can work backwards. Let's say you're erasing with 6 and decided to use the brush 6. So you long press the brush. You can also use the same for smudge. Well, in this case, this brush is not made for smudging. For that, maybe I recommend my smudge set. Let's use this. Oh, look at that. Well, I hope this tip helped you as it helped me. I really like to erase with the same brush I'm using to draw. And if that is your case, then there you have it, a fast way to change tools with the same brush. I hope this helped you and have a good day.